Winter can be tough on properties. Cold temperatures, snow, and ice bring unique challenges that can lead to expensive repairs if not addressed early. Today, we're going to cover 5 common winter property issues and, more importantly, how to prevent them. By taking proactive steps, you can protect your property, keep tenants happy, and save money on unnecessary repairs. First, let's talk about frozen pipes. Frozen pipes are one of the most common winter problems and can lead to serious water damage if they burst. To prevent this, start by insulating exposed pipes, especially those in unheated areas like basements, garages, and crawl spaces. Foam pipe insulation is affordable and easy to install. For vacant properties, shut off the water supply and drain the pipes to eliminate the risk of freezing entirely. For occupied properties, remind tenants to keep the heat on at a minimum of 55 degrees, even if they're away. Opening cabinet doors under sinks can also help warm air circulate around the pipes. These simple steps can save you thousands of dollars in repairs and headaches. Next, ice dams are a major concern during winter. Ice dams form when heat escapes through the roof, melting snow, which then refreezes at the roof's edge. This buildup prevents proper drainage and can cause water to back up under shingles, leading to leaks and structural damage. To prevent ice dams, ensure your attic is well insulated and properly ventilated. Adding insulation to the attic reduces heat loss, keeping the roof at a consistent temperature. Clean gutters and downspouts before winter to make sure melting snow drains properly. If ice dams still form, consider installing heat cables along the roof edge to melt the ice. Addressing insulation and drainage issues now can prevent costly roof repairs later. Another common issue is HVAC system failures. During winter, your heating system works overtime, and any weaknesses can lead to breakdowns. To avoid this, schedule a professional inspection before the cold weather hits. Change air filters regularly to maintain airflow and efficiency. Make sure the thermostat is working correctly and check that heating vents are unobstructed. For properties with fireplaces, ensure the chimney is cleaned and free of debris to prevent fire hazards. Keeping your heating system in top shape not only protects your property, but also ensures tenants stay comfortable, which is key to tenant satisfaction and retention. Slippery walkways and driveways are another winter hazard. Icy surfaces are not only dangerous for tenants and visitors, but also increase your liability as a landlord. To prevent slips and falls, keep walkways and driveways clear of snow and ice. Stock up on de-icing salt and sand, and consider hiring a reliable snow removal service for larger properties. Applying de-icer early, before ice forms, can make it easier to maintain safe surfaces. Installing outdoor lighting around entryways and paths also helps tenants navigate safely in darker winter conditions. Proactively addressing slippery surfaces shows tenants you care about their safety and reduces the risk of accidents. Finally, drafts and heat loss are common in winter, leading to higher utility bills and tenant complaints. Check windows and doors for drafts and seal any gaps with weather stripping or caulking. Adding window insulation film can help keep heat inside, especially for older windows. Heavy curtains or thermal drapes are another cost-effective way to prevent heat loss. Don't forget to inspect the attic and walls for insulation gaps. A well-sealed and insulated property not only keeps tenants comfortable, but also reduces heating costs, making your property more energy efficient and cost-effective to maintain. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we specialize in identifying and preventing these common winter issues. From insulating pipes and inspecting roofs to managing snow removal and ensuring efficient heating systems, we handle it all. Our goal is to keep your property protected and running smoothly, so you can focus on what matters most, your investment. Now, switching gears for a moment, if you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, in need of repairs, or ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer, and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us and let's talk. To summarize, winter property issues like frozen pipes, ice dams, HVAC failures, slippery walkways, and drafts are preventable with the right preparation. By insulating pipes, maintaining heating systems, clearing walkways, sealing drafts, and addressing roof issues, you can avoid expensive repairs and keep your property safe and efficient through the winter months. If you'd like professional support managing these tasks, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.